Looks like there are lots of suggestions here for conquering stage fright.
Oh, give me one!
Well, this says you should drink lots of water before you go on. That might be too much.
My tummy's all rumbly.
You are so stupid.
So what else? Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah? Didn't you have your lunch yet?
No, I'm starving. I got chewed out for practicing magic in class again.
Ah, you dummy.
And I guess that's the sign that I'm hungry.
That's one anybody can read.